Hello friends! Make this colorful rainbow pumpkin this fall and Halloween season. This pumpkin craft is perfect for a kid-friendly Halloween craft night. This is such a fun project to do with the kids, and the end effect is so much fun. So let's begin. Supplies you will need are crayons, glue, pumpkins, white or black paint, and the hairdryer. I'm using these pumpkins. You can use fake ones too. So first we're painting them black and white. The paint is all dry. Now grab your crayons and peel the cover off. Break the crayons in half. For the black pumpkin, we are using neon crayons to see the effect. Now, place the pumpkin on top of the trash bag and use a hairdryer to melt the crayons. Set the hairdryer on high so that the crayons will melt faster. While it was still melting, we added glitter. So this is our rainbow melted crayons pumpkin. Same way we are going to melt the neon colored one too. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.